Were kadhodh nam chimbo jiwo mondo mi ugo kenyasi moyier midewo ni Pwani Innovation Week manyiso kit lony magin go kendo miyo gi thuolo mag yudo tije kaluwore gi lony mekgi. Kane oloso romo mar Sidayanga chenro no mitimega ka higa, jata chenro mar Swahili Port Hub Mahmoud Nur koni nyaka ne chaki chenro higni 5 mosekalo. Rowere mathoth osetegore e lony mag mbui makidek loko ngimagi. En nyasi migeno ni biro lombo joket mwandu mowuok e sectors mopogore opogore. Gino mekoni kidek chiwo thuolo mag tije ne rowere bang' nyiso kit lony magin go to kod lokruok ma lony makamago kidek kelo e chumi ma pacho ka.
Opportunities zinakuja, tunajua special economic zone inakuja. Special economic zone ita provide opportunities nyingi, lakini vijana wa Mombasa wamejitayarisha vipi na nafasi hizi? So Pwani Innovation Week is a good platform where vijana wanaweza kuja kuonyesha taaluma zao kusudi hao wawekezaji ambao wako nje waweze kuzitambua na waone wanaweza kusaidia vipi.
Hubs zimeongezeka kutoka ile wakati tulianza 2018, hub ilikuwa ni moja. Saizi Mombasa tuko na hub zaidi ya 10, na hizi hub zimeextend mpaka kuelekea upande wa Kilifi, Lamu, Taita Taveta. So tuko na coastal hub, na hizi ndio mahali ya kwanza ambayo mbunifu ama kijana anaweza kupata mafunzo, anaweza kuunganishwa na wafadhili.
We need to do it together. We need everybody to support the initiative. It is the only way that we'll go from strength to strength.
Tukiweza include our youth and persons with disabilities, we may actually be able to improve our GDP by almost 4 to 6%. And this is something that both the county governments and the national governments really need to take a look into, and just making sure that we are all, moving forward as a country, as a people, and as a Pwani community as well.
Kawadhi wuodha Safaricom, mano M-Pesa, wuoth mar M-Pesa sokoni ochieng' chopo gi kaka kawuono nyasi no masidho higni 18 mar M-Pesa pacho kano chopo e gwenge ma Kayole, Mwiki kod Githurai. Kambi mar Safaricom korero kod kambi mar Media Services e pango wuodh